Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Word to create a PowerPoint presentation. So what you want to do is you want to go into Microsoft Word and create a brief of what your presentation should include, like introduction, Q1 sales performance, new course launches, and conclusion recommendation. You can add as much detail as you want to these briefs, like what you want to show, presentations, images, things of that nature, even list who actually created the presentation. So once your brief is created, you need to make sure it's saved in the same folder area as your CoPilot PowerPoint solution. At least it should be in the same organization. So then what you want to do is you want to go to PowerPoint, select CoPilot here, click on the option Create Presentation from File. It will then suggest some files for you to get. You can always click here to select more files if you don't see the one you want. I'm going to select here CoPilot Brief and then ask it to generate a presentation. Depending on the requirements you have for your presentation, this could take a little bit of time, but this is a pretty simple file, so we would only probably expect a couple of minutes for it to be done. While this is being updated, there's a lot more that it can do in terms of creating visuals and such using Designer and other tools or even better prompts. So let's see what CoPilot can do in the next couple of minutes. Now I've created a decent presentation for us that we can build off. We have our agenda, we have our introduction, we have our Q1 sales performance brief, we have our new courses brief, and we have our conclusions and recommendations. There's a lot more you can do with this using Designer and different CoPilot prompts. Please check out our course, Introduction to Microsoft CoPilot, to see what else you can do with Word and CoPilot.